The Monroe County man accused of assaulting Congressman Lee Zeldin on the campaign trail in Perrington was back in court this morning. The judge denied a request for David Jakubonis to be released on bond. Alex Love sat in on the hearing and joins us from the newsroom with more. Alex.
Absolutely, Teresa. Attorney John DeMarco spent most of the hearing diving into David Jakubonis' past as a lab technician in the military, then his wife passing away 3 years after he was discharged, which he claims caused his client to become a heavy drinker with anxiety, triggering this attack on Congressman Zeldin. Judge Marion Payson oversaw today's hearing and chose to keep Jakubonis behind bars over concerns he may still pose a danger to the public, giving the defense another 30 days to have a mental health specialist come in and back up their arguments.
It's the mental health component that we do not have enough of expert opinion, clinical opinion, if you will, as to how that relates to the alcohol piece, and I'm going to provide that to her.
Attorney DeMarco went into details with while his client was stationed at an Air Force base near Baghdad, he allegedly experienced mortar explosions daily. Then 3 years after being discharged, his wife died. Nick Stefanovic, director of Monroe County Veteran Services, believes Jakubonis can properly heal from that trauma if released.
It's more rigorous than most other treatment facilities. You're heavily monitored and you're held accountable for every single thing that you do. And there are sanctions that are in place that will control the actions that happen in the court. It also does improve public safety.
But the judge still has concerns with Jakubonis finishing probation in the past, but then going back to drinking excessively. Prior to this, he's had 2 DWIs on his record, even after getting treatment through the VA, while displaying what the judge called, quote, provocative and hostile manners in his post-arrest interview.
You learn the tools that when a relapse happens, you know how to get back into program, you go to your support systems, and you get back on track. I'm not saying it's inevitable, but it happens a lot. I don't think that in and of itself should deter the court in any way. If he's been unsuccessful in the past, that does not mean he cannot be successful moving forward. I think that he can be.
The next court hearing for David Jakubonis is scheduled for October 6th, where the defense plans to bring in a mental health expert then to argue their case to have him released for treatments. Teresa?
All right, Alex, thank you. Jakubonis still faces state charges of attempted assault in the 2nd degree, but that case is on hold until the federal one is finished.